Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mentaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're having an issue with the Windows Store button. It's disappearing on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to click on Start menu, and then dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung services, and then click mo lang dito yung open. So dito sa services local, ang next step ay ilocate lang natin yung Microsoft Store install. Okay, so scroll down lang tayo at ilocate natin yung Microsoft Store install services. So kailangan mo lang mag-double click dito, and then pop up itong kanyang services properties. So ang gagawin natin dito lang sa general, and then dito lang sa startup type. So i-click mo lang tong arrow na yan, and then select mo lang dito yung automatic. And then dito naman sa kanyang running ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong stop, and then wait natin. And then pagkatapos nyan, dito sa kanyang service status, kailangan mo lang i-click tong start. So click mo lang siya, and then wait natin. So after dito ay click mo lang tong apply, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. And then next step, so kailangan lang natin itong i-close tong services. And then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang to restart. Ayan, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to install button missing and disappears in Microsoft Store in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.